हेलो एवरीवन, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू आवर चैनल न्यूक्लियन बायोटेक। सो गाइस, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है सेल, द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ। एंड आज की वीडियो में हम सेल इन एक्शन के बारे में भी डिटेल से पढ़ेंगे। हमने अपनी पहली वीडियो में एक जनरल ओवरव्यू तैयार किया था, लेकिन इस वीडियो में हम सेल के पूरी डिटेल स्टडी करेंगे। ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट। Things that have all the characteristics of life are called what? Organisms. All living things are organized, grow and develop, reproduce, respond, maintain certain internal conditions and use energy. That is all about organisms. In biology, the smallest unit that can perform all life processes is called a cell. Cell is a part, a small unit that can perform all life processes in the body. From the Latin word cellula, which means small rooms, this states that all living things are made up of one or more cells. The cell is the smallest unit of life, and all new cells come from pre-existing cell. Is known as what? The cell theory. This is all about cell theory. Humans have over 100 trillion cells. The cell membrane. First of all, we will study about cell membrane. Cell membrane is a flexible covering that protects the inside of the cell from the environment outside of a cell. Now come to cell wall. Cell wall is a stiff structure outside the membrane. Only in plant cell wall are present. A liquid fluid inside the cell that can contain salt and other molecule is called cytoplasm. Or we can say cytoplasm is the place where salt and other molecules are present. A general question arises, what is the network of thread-like proteins that are joined which form a framework inside the cell? Simply answer is cytoskeleton. This is cytoskeleton. The abbreviation for DNA, an organism genetic material found in cell. Simple DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. So the nucleus is the part of the eukaryotic cell that directs cell activities and contain genetic information stored in DNA, the brain of the cell. Nucleus is known as the brain of the cell. Here some difference in prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic means an organism that consists of a single cell that does not have a nucleus. On the other hand, in eukaryotic, an organism made up of cells that have a nucleus enclosed by a membrane. Example of prokaryotic are bacteria. Example of eukaryotic like animals, plant, mold, yeast and fungi. Now come to the next slide. These are the membranes bound organelles that use light energy and make food. A sugar called glucose from water and carbon dioxide in a process known as photosynthesis. They are only present in plant cell. They are called chloroplast. A cell organelle composed of RNA, protein and the site of protein synthesis is ribosome. Another cell organelle are present in eukaryotic cells which is surrounded by two membrane, that is site of cellular respiration, is called mitochondria. Now come to the RNA. RNA basically the genetic structure genetic material of the viruses. Ribonucleic acid, a type of nucleic acid that carry the code for making protein from the nucleus to the cytoplasm. Now here difference between animal cell and plant cells. Animal cells are round and curved, plant cells are square and boxy. Except for cell wall and chloroplast, most organelles are found in both animal and plant cells as well. Organelles and their functions. First of all, nucleus. Nucleus contains the cell DNA and the control center of the cell. Now, ribosome, amino acid are hooked together to make proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum make lipid, break down drugs and other substances. Mitochondria break down food molecules to make ATP. Now, chloroplast use the energy of sunlight to make food for plants. Golgi complex processes and transports protein and other material out of the cells. Now, function of vacuole, store water and other material also. Lysosomes digest food particles, waste, cell parts and foreign inventors also, or foreign particles. The level of organization in the human body consists of cell clusters, tissue, organ system and at last organisms. Are group of similar types of cell that work together to carry out specific tasks come from latent meaning web or tissue. Multicellular organisms and unicellular organisms. What are the advantages of multicellular organism? Genetic variation, look different, live longer or larger size. On the other hand, in unicellular organism do not need a partner to reproduce. Disadvantages: reproduction take energy, a partner is needed in multicellular organisms. In unicellular organism, no genetic variation, look the same, shorter lifespan. In the passive movement of substances from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration, this type of process is known as diffusion. The passive transport diffusion of water molecule only through a membrane. This is called osmosis. डायग्राम में भी हम देख सकते हैं डायरेक्शन ऑफ वाटर मूवमेंट. नाउ इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस through a cell membrane without using the cell energy. It depends on the amount of substances on each side of membrane. That is known as passive transport. On the other hand, in active transport, it is the movement of substances through a cell membrane only by using the cell energy. Totally cell energy use होती है. This type of transport is known as active transport. So this is a series or chemical reactions that convert light energy, water, carbon dioxide into food molecule, glucose and give off oxygen in primary plants. This process is known as photosynthesis. From the Greek, photo means light and synthesis means composition. In a series of chemical reactions that convert the energy in food molecule into a usable form of energy called ATP, which is also known as cellular respiration. In a reaction that eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell can use to obtain energy from food when oxygen level are low. This is known as fermentation. Example of fermentation are yeast, alcohol, ethanol, lactic acid and bacteria. A cycle of growth, development and division. This cycle is known as cell cycle. A rod-shaped cellular structure made of condensed chromatin contain DNA which carry the genetic information that control inherited characteristics such as eye color, blood type. This type of phenomena is known as chromosome. Chromosome, a rod-shaped cellular structure made up of condensed chromatin. So most dividing human cells normally complete the cell cycle in about 24 hours. In eukaryotic cell, a process of cell division that form two new nuclei, each of which has the same number of chromosomes, is referred to mitosis. Phases of the life cycle or phases of the cell cycle, there are mainly two phases, interphase and mitotic phase. In interphase, substages are present, G1, S and G2. In G1 phase, growth and cellular functions organelle replications occur. In S phase or S stage, growth and chromosome replication, organelle replication occur. In G2 stage, growth and cellular functions, organelle replication occur. On the other hand, in mitotic phase, in mitosis, division of nucleus. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. A main phase within the cell cycle, where in this period the cell grow and developed in copy within itself, is called interphase. This phase is known as interphase. During interphase, most cells go through 3 stages. G1, rapid growth and replication or copying of the membrane bound structure. In S phase, copying of DNA, the genetic information in a cell. In G2, preparation for cell division. Now, what are the 4 phases of mitosis? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Interphase, stage 1, this is the period before cell division occur. The cell grow to its mature size, make a copy of its DNA and prepare to divide. 90% prepare to divide. In mitosis, there is a 4 stages where the cell nucleus divided into 2 nuclei. A copy of the DNA is distributed into each of the 2 cells. Stage 3, cytokinins. The final stage complete the process of cell division. The cytoplasm divide, distributing the organelles into each of the 2 new cells. In prophase, chromatin condense and the nuclear membrane break down. In metaphase, chromosome line up across the center of the cell. In anaphase, the centromeres split and the cells become stretched out as the opposite end pull apart. In telophase, the chromosome begin to stretch and a new nuclear membrane form around each regions. So, result of the cell division are reproduction, growth, replacement and repair. So, this is all about cell. Thank you so much for your attention and don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy.